Hello, in front of me I've got JBL Flip Essential 2. In this video I'll show you how to perform factory reset on your speaker. As you can see, currently my speaker is connected with the Android smartphone. And now, in order to perform factory reset, we will have to press and hold simultaneously volume up and play button. Make sure that your speaker is turned on, and after you press simultaneously those two buttons, your speaker will turn off. So let's do this. As you can see right now, the speaker is turned off and also the connection disappeared. Of course, you can still see our JBL Flip in previously connected devices, but take a look what happens when you turn on the speaker. As you can see, the speaker has automatically entered the pairing mode, which means it has all previous connections deleted. And that's basically the whole process of how to make factory reset on your speaker. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.